Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add music to your Instagram notes. Let's start. At first you have to open your Instagram app. After that, tap on the message icon at the top right corner of the screen, and in here you can find out your notes. Tap on the plus icon, and then if you have something in your mind, you can share it to your friends and write something that you want. And after that, if you tap on the music icon, then you can find out a lot of musics. You can also search musics like this. If you tap on here, you can listen the music. After listening it, you can choose it by tapping on here, and then you can also customize like which part you want to add. You can also choose like this. Then tap on the check mark to save the changes, and then tap on share. And this is how you can share your notes with music. When your friends will tap on your note, they will see your text and also they will listen the music that you have shared. See how easy it is? Put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.